Okay. I had a client come back to me, not because he wanted to, but because AI dropped the ball. Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to my channel, Art with Chris. I am a multimedia designer of over 20 years. I've done graphics digitally and print as well, print production. And so, welcome to my channel. I have a subject that I want to talk about that I feel is very important as a graphic designer, because what I want to do is um, I have this story, and I feel it's important for graphic designers, especially one who's living it with, dealing with AI and how that's going. So let's get to the uncomfortable part first. I have clients, people that I've worked with for years, and of the last little bit, they've gone silent. And we could all see why, with the AI. It's making people feel like they don't need graphic designers and they're putting in the prompt what they want and it does spit it out. But and it is making people feel like they don't need graphic designers anymore. I'm not a hater of AI. It's happening whether I like it or not. It's just now it's happening within my own client base. And so one of my clients came to me and he was using AI. He was told by a buddy to just, what you want, some that I had created his logo. And then he threw that in there and then chat GPT. And at first it worked. He's a business owner, right? And it was working for him. And it was spitting it out just the way he wanted. But then he hit a wall because he was asking for more out of it. And the more that he asked, the more it added stuff. So it was AI slop. And that was frustrating him, and that's when I got a call back from him. He wanted reliability. He wanted somebody that was consistent across the board. So once he let me know the situation, I took the good one that he had, and I actually, here's the thing: did I use AI? So at first I wasn't going to, but then I was trying to find fonts that would match, and it took too long. So I did open up ChatGPT and I threw it in, and started to ask it, giving it different variations. But here's the difference: I was also opening up some creative cloud programs like I've done for the past 20 years, and I was doing what I've been doing and adding consistency over every asset. And also, which he wanted this too, but the AI at first told me it could do this, but then it didn't. So, and this was what he was wanting. At the end, he wanted this product and image all ready to go to send to the printers, print ready PDF. That's what he wanted. And it dropped the ball on that. So, here we are. He called me up and he wanted these things. And I was able to be reliable and consistent through the project. So, why did he need me? He needed me for just that, to get to the end result that he needed somebody reliable, and that was me. And so I was able to meet his tasks. And, where does that bring us to here? Here's the lesson I've learned: AI is there, and it's happening whether I like it or not. And it's weeding out people that are graphic designers from those that are just using a software. So we're always going to be needed. And as I use the AI tool, I'm still using my experience and my background and my knowledge in programs and in art and layout and these things that I've been doing for the past 20 years. Okay, that's my story, and I just wanted to share that, and I feel like that is content to which would be interesting to people out there, graphic designers, and anybody that's interested in my channel, Art with Chris. Hey, hit like and subscribe, and stick around. We got other videos that I'm working on that are coming out. We got some inspirational stories that are based in art, and then we got tutorials. I am also learning how to learning how to draw. So if you're wanting to learn how to draw, stick with me, and we'll get there. And you know, I'm also looking at producing some videos that will have like turning your scribble into art. And so it's like a stress reliever. So that's what we're going to be working on in the next videos coming up. So, hey, stick around. I'll see you in the next video.